everyone, and welcome to today's Tip Time Thursday. So today we're going to talk about meditation. No, it doesn't really have much to do with cleaning or decluttering, but it does help me a lot in my life. Maybe I guess you can call it mind decluttering. And I was inspired during yesterday's meditation to talk about meditation today. So the first thing I want to mention is this book, You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. This is the book that got me started meditating. This is the book that probably inspired me to start my business, and it's a really good book. So if you are looking for a really good book to read, this one is really good. So the second book that really helped me out as far as meditating goes is this book called Gabrielle Bernstein. Now, it just so happens that when I bought this book, I transferred to a new office at work, and this book so helped me relate to people I didn't know, people I had never met before, and I usually always have a problem with anxiety, and this book totally really helped me. It's the page about blessing people when you meet them. Instead of being fearful, you wish them an awesome day. I bless you. I hope you have an awesome day. And so this book really helped me. It's full of meditations. Also, I'm going to put some links below this video, linking my favorite YouTube meditations. And I'm also going to link Gabby Bernstein's website because she gives away some meditations for free. I think it's like 3 different meditations that have really helped me in my life, have helped me calm down, have helped me forgive people, and have totally helped me with my anxiety. So those are the 2 books that I really started meditating with, and I still continue to meditate. Some people will say I probably meditate too much, but it's comfortable and I enjoy it. So I want to talk about this book, which is the latest book I've read, which is Jen Sincero's second book. Well, I don't really think it's her second book, but it's the follow-up to the first badass book. And this is You're a Badass at Making Money. And it talks about getting out of your comfort zone and really trying hard. So that's one of the reasons I started making these videos, is to get out of my comfort zone, to try to bring more attention to my business, and also to try to help people, because I don't know about anyone else, but I have suffered from anxiety most of my life, and I've been to all kinds of counselors, and none of them really told me that the thoughts I was thinking in my head are what's mainly causing my anxiety and depression. I mean, if you're always yelling at yourself in your head, no wonder you're not a very happy person. And especially this book by Gabby Bernstein and also this book by Gabby Bernstein have helped me learn to talk to myself in a kinder way, because everything in life doesn't start out here, which is what I always thought it did. I've always been really kind of obsessed with what I look like. I was so super conscious of how my hair was, or if I was tan, or if I was a couple pounds overweight, blah, blah, blah. I was really worried about my outward appearance. And I'm learning as I get older and older and older that what you look like on the outside has more to do about what you're thinking inside your head than it does, and also your DNA probably it does. So I'm just kind of fessing up on this Tip Time Thursday. I sometimes have really bad days, but I just try to keep going, and meditation really helps me. And also something else that also I find really cheers me up when I'm feeling bad, and it's something I'm going to do as soon as I finish this video, and that is cleaning. Cleaning cheers me up. It makes me feel better. The environment that I'm in just makes me feel so much better when it's clean and it's sparkly. And so when I'm done from here, I'm going to change the sheets on my bed and do some vacuuming in my bedroom because it's kind of a mess. And I'll be honest, yesterday I did not have a good day. I was sad. And so today I'm going to clean, cheer myself up, do some good meditation. I'm going to link a whole bunch below this video. And happy Tip Time Thursday. I hope anybody out there that suffers from anxiety might be helped by this video. So thanks. See you next time.